Hey guys, it's Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. It is an Abaco blue with white graphics, absolutely gorgeous, on a tandem trailer with a swing tongue and a spare wheel as well. This boat is equipped with a newly painted white Mercury. They just started doing that, absolutely gorgeous, with a white ski tow bar. Let's get on board and I'll show you around. Now that we're on board, as you can see, it does have this absolutely new, beautiful white Mercury 150. They just started doing that. White ski tow bar, as we said before, cup holders that are plumbed. This boat does have the JL speakers throughout the boat, and at a 190 Montauk, self-bailing starts as well. Rear seats come out for rod holders. Very good size swim platform. The captain's seat is actually very, very comfortable, and plenty of tow room underneath the console, which is very, very nice. It is reversible, and you do have your live well under here. It is aerated, it's blue live well, plenty of room. You can use it as a cooler as well. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, so you're gonna have the compass, you're gonna have the cooler seat, you're gonna have tackle storage right over here to your right. This is equipped with a Simrad JL audio system. You have power up here and USB chargers as well. Nice T-top with rocket launchers. And as we go to the bow of the boat, this boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor, which is very, very nice. Very spacious bow. I'm 6 feet tall for a 19-foot boat. You have a lot of room. We have a very large fish box as well that is also insulated. So you could use that as a cooler if you didn't want to fish. You also have a cooler seat up front that is removable from the boat as well. So if you want to go to the beach, you could take the cooler with you. And if you would like to see this boat, you can come see us at MarineMax in Charleston, or reach us at 843-747-1889, MarineMax Charleston. Come see us, get on the water.